Greetings and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to teach you how to do this, these are real accounts, how to do this, so practically in this video I'm going to teach you how to grow small accounts, any account sizes, to any amounts that you want it. All you need to do is to be attentive to what I'm about to say and be attentive. This is Milk Drive and watch the video. Welcome back again. Now for me to be able to tell you how I grew all these account sizes, I'm going to use the signal I sent to my channel. As you can see, this is the signal. The signal grew a $94 account to over $700 and something, and we were still milking a $94. That's a very mini amount of money. We grew it to a lot of money with the signal. So for you to understand, this is just sniper entry trades. You can just call it sniper entry trades. The only means that you can use to grow your account size to anything you want is at sniper entry, because most of the times why we lose trades is because when we place trades, the trades go into a little bit of loss before going into profit, and that's why most of the times when we take trades in the market we lose. Most of our analysis, those that can do analysis, most of our analysis work out. But by the time we take the trade, we find out that before the thing begins to go the direction we want, the market, maybe if you have a small account or you have an account and you're using a big lot size, the thing must have closed. And that's why most of the times people are always interested in risk management and doing. But I'm introducing this to you. Risk management is good, but believe me, there is something way better than risk management. I'm telling you the truth, and that is sniper entry trade. Sniper, you can grow any account size to anything you want. This is a $56 account, and I grew it over 1,84874. This is the last one we took, and this is what I'm going to use to teach you. This is a $94 account, grew to 907. Now if you check the point where I took the trades, I took the trade at sniper. I think I did the screenshot when I did this stuff. This is the signal. Look at the point where I sold. This is this, and I said, okay, this market must go down to this direction, and the point I sold was exactly the point the market started to move. I used 2 accounts for this testing because I wanted to show you guys this video so that you all would know that there's something way better than sniper than risk management. Risk management is good, don't get me wrong, but believe me, there's something way better than risk management, and that is sniper entry. Once you know and master your sniper entry trades, you can take milk any market that you want. Now this strategy works for all indices. It works for volatility indices, it works for currency pairs, boom and crash, step index, range break, jump indices, anything. It works for Euro USD, it works for any currency pair, it works for gold, it works for Nasdaq and the rest of the stuffs and things you can trade in forex. Now this is the point where we took the trade. I said, okay, this market is going to sell. As you can see it, sell volatility 25-1s. Volatility 25-1s is something that we trade in forex. It's just like the normal currency pairs and all those, but this is the volatility specially offered by Derive broker. Now my channel is my group, my company is specifically interested in making money out of Derive and every other forex volatility indices you can have in any broker, and that's what we're doing. Thus the name Milk Drive. That's why I give the name Milk Drive to Milk Drive. But that was the initial concept of the group. But right now I'm happy to announce that we have changed the concept. We are not just taking trades from volatility indices sponsored by Drive. No, we are taking trades from all volatility indices in the whole wide world, and you can join us. We offer signals, we offer mentorship and account management. We offer a lot of things that can help you to be profitable in forex market. Enough of blowing accounts, enough of losing trades. This is your time to make money from forex trading. Once you know this strategy, believe me, I don't personally, unless on certain reasons, I don't fund a lot of money into my account, because I into my forex account, because I know that no matter the lots, no matter the amount of money there, the point I begin to sell, that's where the market will begin to sell. Look at this is that same signal. Look at the point we began to sell, and this is exactly the point the market began to sell. Now look at what it is right now. Sorry, look at this is the trade. I say sell. You can see the direction. Now look at what the market is right now, hitting our TP, our desired TP. Look at it. Although you ranged for a little while, but at least it went down. So that is forex market for you. The point where your trade is meant to go, that's where it goes, and that's how we've milked this. These are just little things I'm showing you. We've done way better than this, but these are just the ones I could lay my hands to so that I could make this video for you all to watch and for you all to benefit. So like I said earlier, I'm just going to the strategy I use in trading is price action. I teach price action for my mentorship class, and I teach them and I use price action in trading forex. So in this video, I'm just going to explain to you some of the price action techniques that I used in making up this powerful and sniper entries, how I get my sniper entries. The video may not be completely filled because I won't tell you everything in a free YouTube video, of course not. If you want more of it, you can come to the mentorship class. You learn more, you learn a lot, but I'm still going to show some light to it, and of course it's going to be helpful in your forex trading career and life. So yeah, this is Mick Drive Group, and I want you to follow me into the video. I'm going to explain to you how I got about this thing, how I got about this strategy, how I was 100% sure that this point that I sold is where the market is going to actually begin to sell. How I was very, very sure, 100% sure. I gave the signal. Look at the signal. Sell volatility 25-1s, SL 431965, TP1 423538, TP2 420165, TP3 41076, and the market hit all our TP, and we made a lot of money from this trade, both in the mentorship class and in the signal group that we have, both VIP1 and VIP2. Yeah, that's it, and that's that. I'm just going to explain everything to you in this video. Not everything actually, but I'm going to explain a lot of things to you. Draw the analysis, throw some light to it, so that it can be helpful for you in your trading career. Thank you very much, and this is Mick Drive. Follow me into the video. Yeah, welcome once again. This is how the stuff looks like. I'm going to explain how to you. You can see there are lots of trend lines here, and sorry, let me put on my airplane mode so that I won't receive messages. Sorry for that. So I won't receive messages from people. So yeah, now the last time I posted the video, someone was asking me why do I have a lot of lot sizes in my account, in my channel, in my trading platform. And I replied and I said in the video that a lot of traders have different means that they use to milk the market. Now, if mine is to draw trend lines in a way that I'm going to understand it in a way that is going to be beneficial to me, then I don't know why someone will be shouting and then saying something. I didn't delete the comment on YouTube, but I allowed it, and I made sure I allowed it so that I would hear what the person would actually say, because it was very, very annoying. Like that, most of the traders that you see, they don't use the trend lines. There are a few trend lines on their charts. How many of them are profitable? How many of them are taking sniper entries? How many of them are doing all the good things that Mick Drive Group has been able to achieve? So the main point is, anything that works for you, good and fine. As far as it works for you, then do it. If trend lines is what is going to make you profitable as a trader, my friend, I'm telling you, you need it. If drawing 100,000 trend lines is going to help you, to be a profitable trader, then you need it. So one of my key secrets is this: I take a trade that I'm always sure of. That's it. And for me to be sure of trades, I need a lot of trend lines to confirm the same theory, or how will I put it, to confirm the same points that the market is going to sell. I need a lot of things. I need a lot of trend lines to tell me, okay, yes, this market is ready to sell. As you can see in this particular one now, you can see that there's a horizontal line here and there's a trend line here, both of them confirming and saying, okay, yes, this market is about to sell. And at the point, you can see the point where we sold it is where the market began to sell, and we're currently milking this market, making it with a lot of money, making it with a lot of money. Yeah. making it with something, very, very huge and something very, very nice. So I'm just going to tell you how I got about this signal. So I have to delete some of this so that it won't be confusing to you. If you want more of this, please go to our mentorship class. You're going to receive a lot. We teach a lot. We teach price action. Listen to me, like I said, like I always say in my videos, price action is the key to forex. Anyone who is teaching you something that is not price action, any trader, what's it called, any guru or mentor who is telling you you can use indicators, to milk the market, he's lying to you. And I keep saying it in all my videos. The person is lying to you. He's just lying to you. Maybe it's there for your money or something like that. Most of the times, if not 100% of the times, indicators don't work. If life was as easy as putting indicators on the chart, then everybody should have been a millionaire. Forex, you need to put all your knowledge in it. You need to put your wisdom. You need to think. Price action is not as easy as people think. Price action, no, it's not as easy as people think. Even after you're done drawing the lines and then the trend lines and then maybe sometimes the Fibonacci and all those stuff that you need to draw for you to confirm a trade, most of the times the main problem there is to know what is going to happen. And that knowing what is going to happen, it needs a lot of thinking, for you to know, okay, that this is where the market is going to move and this is where the market is going. So generally in our mentorship class, that's what I teach. I teach the basic and the perfect professional means where one can know when the market is about to sell, when one can know when the market is about to go into profit. The Milk Drive group is one of the best groups I've seen everywhere. And I'm happy to say that, I'm very, very happy to say that, yes, we're one of the best, because we're solely dependent on what makes money for the people and not teaching you strategy indicators. How can if I put what's it called, moving averages here, the thing intercept, then the market is going to buy? How easy is that? That's what people tell you. Or that once a stochastic reads 9 or 5, or I did all those things, when I sell forex new, and it, believe me, blew a lot of my accounts. But since I got to since I got to know about price action, I learned this strategy. I'm telling you, no one taught me it. I just learned price action as a body, and then God helped me, and then he gave me the knowledge that I'm sharing to you right now, the knowledge of sniper entry trades, knowing exactly what the market is going to do, when and how the market is going to do it, and then all those things. That thing I will tell you, if you want to be a successful trader, is this: please and please. The second thing I'll tell you is, please and please, you have to remove emotion from trading. I know that a lot of your gurus, a lot of your masters, what are they called again, mentors, they have told you this same thing, but believe me, it's very, very important. You need to remove emotions from your heart from trading forex. I'm going to explain to you what I mean by that. Look at this now. Look at the point where I sold this market. By the time this market got to here, this is another account. This is not the other account. The other account, I've closed it, the $94 to something. I've closed the account. I closed it at that 700 and something dollars. So I closed the market. I'm currently going to hold this one till this is the first TP. I closed it at the first TP. Sorry, the second TP or so. But this other one, I'm going to hold it till the end of the market. Yeah. But this particular one, I think, what was here? I think it's $200 and something or something. Yeah, this is a $200 and something account. Now listen up, and I use the bigger lot size for this. When this market got to this point, now look at where this red arrow is showing where I sold the market. So when this market got to this point, I'm using this, look at what's showing on your screen. Sorry for the improvisation. We don't have much of those facilities now to tell you this, tell you that. But believe me, Milk Drive Group is introducing Zoom for our mentorship classes by a week today. We're introducing Zoom classes to all our mentorship groups. I'm going to be teaching them, via Zoom and showing them the stuff, and all those. But apart from that, I just wanted to show you. Now I'm using this, to explain what I'm trying to show. Now look at the point where I sold this market. That's the exact point the market began to sell. I hope you can confirm it. That's the exact point the market began to sell. That's, first of all, a sniper entry trade. Now the market sold for a year. Okay, before I say what I'm about to say, the second rule of trading that I personally tell people is, please, when the market is going your direction, don't start putting other lot sizes. Don't start entering another trade. You understand? Look at, I have only one trade here and I'm going through. If I want to sell a market, if I want lots of lot sizes, I'm going to take it at this particular point, and not if the market is here, I'll come and put another lot size, I'll come and put another. No, it's very, very, believe me, it's very, 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 very wrong. Most 99 or 80% of people who do this always end up blowing their accounts, even though that that the analysis that they make actually go the direction they want. So it's very, very wrong and very, very bad. So please, please, please don't do it. So like I was saying, now look at this market. When I sold it here, the market began to sell. Now listen up, the market began to sell. When it got here, it was around okay, not actually here. Oh yeah, there. When the market got here, it was around 600. Was it 600? Around $400 or $500 profit. You know. Now, if I had added another entry here at this particular point where the market reversed, that would have been a big hit to me. You understand? Because this market bought again. I'm using this particular one. The other one I'm going to show you, the one entered at sniper, it didn't actually go on any loss, but I just want to use this one, you know, to show you something. It went all the way up to this place. Now, between this place and here, there's a loss. Now, if you had entered the market here with another lot size, maybe before this would have gone here, you'd have been in a big loss. And then maybe this one, the loss of this one and the loss of what you entered here will be giving you a big loss and a big blow in your forex trading, and maybe you may even blow your account, and then you will still see that the market sold all the way down and you become very, very angry with yourself. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. So the forex market is very, very easy, but you need to discipline yourself. You need to kill your emotions. You need to kill the emotions. That's why I tell people, please, please. I know that that 100%, okay, let's not say 100%, 99% of the reasons why people enter forex is because they want freedom, financial freedom. I understand. And so there's no way you can tell somebody to use money that he's willing to lose. You understand? There's no money that is willing. There's no money that's that is wastable like that people actually want to lose. But in sincere sense, please actually use money that you're willing to lose when trading forex market. Believe me, when you use, that's why most people, if people come to me and say, okay, they want to buy signals and this is the only money they have, once they pay for the signal, that they'll fund maybe $200 in their account and that's the only money they have in their life, I say, don't do it. Don't pay me for the signal. Hold your money, go to another signal group. And that's how I do. It's not that my signal will not work. Listen, it's not that the signal will. I'm telling you the fact. I'm telling you something that your so-called mentors will not tell you. I'm telling you something that most people will not tell you. It's not that the signal will not work. The signal will work. But listen, you need to kill that emotion, because it's your last money. You'll be looking at the trade. Maybe if the trade is in just $10 profit, you say, wow, big money, you close it. Or if the trade is in maybe, let's say, $500 profit, you say, wow, big money, you close the market. Even when the market has not hit the TP that I personally give as a professional in the field. Or if you are in loss of maybe $100, something like when the market went up to this place, you say, this market is going to blow this account and this is my last, you close the account. And by the time you close the account, the market will begin to sell. And maybe when it gets to this point, look at this point, you say, okay, this market is selling again, you now sell again, you now sell at this point, the market goes up again, you blow everything. This is how they get you people. You need to understand that these brokers are not willing. Listen, brokers are there. Forex is there. The market is there to make you to lose. But you need to be wise enough. You need to be, emotionally strong. You need to be strong in all spheres of the market analysis so that you can be able to milk them. This is the fact. And that is the truth of the Forex market. Believe me. That is why most of the times I don't really believe in risk management. Risk management is nice, but I don't really preach it. You can see in my courses, I don't give risk management, in the courses that I send to people, I don't give risk management as a factor. Because first of all, I know how to enter a sniper entry trade. And second of all is that risk management. When you begin to talk about risk management, what is it? You'll be using small lot sizes to enter a trade. It's good, believe me, it's good. Let's say that you have a $200 account. Let's just do an analysis. You have a $200 account, and then you enter this trade here. Maybe with I think the smallest lot size for 25 FOREX is 0.005, and then you enter it at that. then the market is selling. The market is selling. That's risk management, right? Huh? So maybe you now close you close at profit of $30. Maybe you enter another trade, and that trade is in loss. The loss may be at 30, but you not close it though. So is risk management, and $30 is nothing. Maybe you not sleep, you not wake up in the morning and you find out that the account is blown. Listen to me, the fact and factor of forex trading is simple. At least $100 account is good, or if you're buoyant enough, $200 account. Enter a sniper entry trade. If it does not go the way you want, you just lost a small money. You put in another one. There is no way you try trade times. There's no way I will try trade times personally. If actually you know what you're doing, maybe you've learned the strategy from me. There's no way you try 3 times that you will not get enough of money. And when you're doing it, don't be scared. Look at this market. This market came here when it was around 1,500 or thereabout, and the market went up back to my entry. A lot of people would be scared by just simply this means. I wasn't. Okay, I was a little. Let me not lie. I was a little, but it didn't actually stop me from closing the market. Now, if it's risk management, look at what your risk management mentors will tell you. Remember, I'm not preaching against risk management. I'm just telling you something about it. Look at what your risk management mentors will tell you. Put maybe your stop losses there. I don't even believe in stop losses. All these things have been engineered to make you to lose the market. If you have put your stop loss there, the market will now come and hit the stop loss. Maybe you now close at a profit of 10 or even 5. Then the market begins to sell again, and we sell and sell and sell and sell and sell and sell. Right now, this market here, and the point is, I think is around $3,000 something. This market here, around $3,000 something. So the forex market has a lot to do with our emotions. It has a lot to do with killing our emotions, which we should be ready to feel. Listen to me, when you are ready to lose that money in your forex trading, you can take the risks and you can leave the account and you watch the account make the money you want. This is a reversal trade. That was why even these things, that was why the market didn't just go straight up, because the market was buying at a point and then began to sell. Now, unfortunately, I've wasted a lot of time in this video, so I'm not really going to explain how I do this trend line, but I'm sure you can look at it, you know how it is done. But if you want to know more about Milk Derived Group, remember I offer mentorship classes. You can contact us at www.milkderivedfsgroup.com. Send us a message on Gmail at milkderivedgroup@gmail.com. Email milkderivedgroup@gmail.com. And if you want to send us a message on Instagram, I think our Instagram trade is can't really remember, forex volatility indices. Forex volatility indices. Then our Facebook is forex and boom and crash. Don't worry, I'm going to put the picture on the screen so that you'll be seeing it and it will be easier for you to just access the stuff. So Milk Drive Group, we offer signals, we offer mentorship classes, and then our trades are sniper. So it's not all the times we take sniper entry trades, so but most of the times we take sniper entry trades, and we blow accounts too. Like I said, I don't believe in stop losses. So if the market go viral, go the way I don't want, and then maybe some of this thing, the account will blow. But the good thing about us is that when we're blowing small accounts, and when we're making the money, we're making a lot of money. That's why we say our profit to loss is way bigger, in that sense. So yes, this is Milk Drive. Send us a message now so that we can work together. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel, and please turn on your notification bell so that you receive very insightful videos like this coming ahead. Thank you very much. You can watch other videos I've done a lot of videos on analysis. I'm sure you can watch it and maybe know how to analyze some of the markets you're seeing. Thank you very much. This is Milk Drive. Thank you.